हेलो बच्चों, देखिए इस प्रॉब्लम में एक ब्लॉक है जो रेस्ट में रखा हुआ है एट हॉरिजॉन्टल frictionless surface. The mass of block is 2 kg and the two forces F1 and F2 they start acting simultaneously at same point of time but in opposite direction. Okay. Now we can see that F1 is a time dependent force. The graph of F1 with respect to time is shown. Now we can see that graph, in this graph slope of line is -1 and y-intercept is 8. So we can write expression for force F1 as 8 minus t. Now initially F1 is greater than F2 because initially at t equal to 0 F1 is 8 Newton but F2 is constant and its value is 4 Newton. So initially F1 is greater than F2. So we can write net force as F1 minus F2 and putting these values we get F equal to 4 minus T. So this is the net force acting on the body. This is the net force acting on the body and it is a time dependent force. Okay. Now question asks what will be the maximum speed? What is the maximum speed which block acquires? So when speed will be maximum, the momentum of block will be maximum, and at this maximum momentum, rate of change of momentum will be 0. Okay. So dB by dt will become 0, that is F becomes 0, and we can see that F becomes 0 at t equal to 4 seconds. So the speed will be maximum at t equal to 4 seconds. Now by using impulse momentum theorem, we can calculate its velocity at t equal to 4 seconds. Now putting expression for force and integrating with suitable limits and putting u equal to 0, we can get v equal to 4 meter per second. Okay, so this will be the maximum speed because after t equal to 4 seconds, we can see that force will become negative and body will retard. So the maximum speed is 4 meter per second. Thank you.